Today we inaugurated Sports Meet 2024 and theme for this sports meet is Khelo India for a healthy lifestyle. Today we inaugurated and the chief guest was Adesh Kumar, the BSF Jawan from Nompo. We started sports in order to create an awareness for the students that they need to develop their hidden talents that they have in them. The purpose behind of this sports week is to discover their hidden talents and that they should know what talents they have. Therefore, we inaugurated the sports week today and we wish all our students to success for this sports week. Actually, we started on 15th of February and then today we did the officially inaugurated today and then it will go up to 29th of February and after that we'll end our sports.
In the marathon race.
Red House, come on, clap your hands.
Kita